R.I.P. Susie. Show the R.I.P. purple. R.I.P. Just put in R.I.P. R.I.P. Susie. Type in R.I.P. people. People type in R.I.P. people. People type in R.I.P. people. R.I.P. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. Susie, we gonna bury you for a very long time. Alright, people just put R.I.P. R.I.P. to this model man, this Bellevue patient. R.I.P. Susie. Yes, my nice clean pussy sister Tina. R.I.P. Susie. Stop, big up yourself. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. Sleep in peace. Just sleep in peace. Sleep in peace. Just sleep in peace. Just sleep in peace. When we sleep in peace, Susie sleep in peace. R.I.P. Susie. Susie, we know you're gone. We feel your pain. We feel your pain. We feel your pain. We feel your pain. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. People, I got a breaking news that Susie passed away this morning, 8 o'clock in American time. Susie passed away 8 o'clock this morning in American time. So I'm giving my condolence to Susie. She passed away 8 o'clock in American time. So I'm giving my condolence, people. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. Susie need a way. Susie need a way. R.I.P. Susie. We didn't miss you for a very long time. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. People, we got a short message. Hi, baby. We got a short message this morning. Susie passed away American time. I got the message. Breaking news. So my condolence go to Susie and her family that Susie passed away this morning, 8 o'clock England. I got out nearly get mixed up a while ago. I live in England. I just got a news. Good news. I give the straight news. I don't give the bad news. I give the good news. I give the good news. That Susie passed away this morning, 8 o'clock, this morning, 8 o'clock American time. Susie passed away at 8 o'clock American time. Susie have a breakdown in her house this morning. Susie passed away this morning. Susie passed away, people. My condolence going out for Susie and her family and her Rasta man and her kids them. Oh my God, people. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. People, I'm giving the good news, not the bad news, that Susie Williams passed away American time at 8:30 in America. When the police come look at the body, it was Susie's body. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. People, my condolence go out to Susie and her lost and her family and her family. Oh my God, Susie passed away this morning. Oh my God, people. Oh my God, Susie passed away this morning. Oh my God. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. R.I. Motherman Susie. I'm R.I.P. Susie. R.I.P. Susie. This fuck out bitch passed away for a very long time. No more destruction on internet because this fuck up bitch passed away. This suck cocky old faced woman passed away. This lick up batty woman just passed away. She passed away. She passed away. Before she passed away, and finger her fat puss, her stinking pussy. Her Rastaman shower at his yard. Her Rastaman shower at his yard. This fat bitch passed away. This fat bitch passed away. R.I.P. to you. And my condolences to your family. R.I.P. to you. R.I.P. to you. Susan Williams passed away. It's a shortly missed when I got the phone call this morning. 8:30. Susan Williams passed away. Susan Williams passed away. R.I.P. to Susie. Let's make IG great again. R.I.P. to you. R.I.P. to this mad woman. This mad woman is passed away. This mad woman passed away. Oh my God, this mother man, my condolence go to Susie Williams and her family in America. Susie passed away. Your son gonna pass away. Just like you passed away. The one in Jamaica. R.I.P. to your son. R.I.P. to you. Susie, R.I.P. to you. R.I.P. to you. It's R.I.P. to you. It's very, very sad, people. I'm looking at it. It was Susan Williams. Oh my God, Susan Williams passed away. Oh my God, it's so sadly that Susan passed away, people. Susan passed away, people. Oh my God, Susan passed away. Oh my God, Susie, you passed away. Susie, you passed away. Oh my God, Susie, you passed away. You passed away, Susie, you passed away. Susie, my condolence goes for you and your family. Susie, you passed away. That make the internet make great ever again. Oh my God, Susie, you passed away. Susie, you passed away. Oh my God, Susie passed away. Oh my God, my condolence go to Susie and her family. R.I.P. to you, you dirty little fat bitch. R.I.P. to you, you slimy little fat bitch. I wish I was in America with a spit on your fucking body as well, you fat piece of shit. I wish I was living in America and they told me to come look at your body with an act and spit in your fucking face as well, you fucking dirty ass bitch. Bitch, if I was in America and they told me to come look at the body, I would have gone in your fucking face, bitch, up and up. And when I spit in your face, them time that when I spit in your face, them time that they say you're dead, you would have been dead. My spit will wake you up, you fucking dirty ass bitch. Bitch, you passed away. You passed away. R.I.P. to you. R.I.P. to you. You dirty ass bitch. R.I.P. Sleep in peace and never wake up back for 120 decades. R.I.P. back to you. I'm burying you, Susie. I'm burying you. I bury you right now. Susie, I bury you. I bury you. I bury you. I bury you. I pity you, Susie. I pity you after name. I pity you, Susie. Susie, R.I.P. to you, Susie. Susie, R.I.P. to you, Susie. I'm burying you right now at this moment. Susie, I'm burying you. You need to get off the planet, Susie. Susie, I bury you. I bury you. I bury you. You need to get off the planet, Susie. R.I.P. to you, Susie. Susie, R.I.P. to you, Susie. R.I.P. to you, Fatty. Fatty, R.I.P. to you, Fatty. Fatty, R.I.P. to you, teeth in Fatty. The way your teeth and teeth and teeth, damn teeth and teeth and teeth and teeth. You look at teeth in Ross, yo. That's where R.I.P. come to you, you fat piece of shit. I wish I was in America and they told me to come look at the body. I would have act and spit and open your mouth and they spit in your fucking face. Right off the top of your fucking, the top of your eye go straight to your fucking face and spit in your eye as well, you dirty little bitch. Dirty Susie, R.I.P. to you, Susie. R.I.P. to you, Susie. R.I.P. to you. I got breaking news that Susie passed away this morning. Susie passed away, people. Susie passed away this morning. Susie passed away this morning, people. Susie passed away this morning. R.I.P. to you, Susie. Susie, sleep in peace, Susie. Sleep in peace, Susie. My condolence go to your family and your kids, them. Oh my God, Susie. I should have never live in America. I can spit on the body. Oh my God, Susie. I wanted to, I can toot by your body. I want when me I spit by your body, I have coronavirus too. I could have coronavirus in my mouth and go, I spit in your fucking face. I'm not this bitch. I'm fuck. Cha! Bomba cloud. Why you always call me on that number?
Later.
Alright, bye. Call me on this number. Back to you now, Susie. R.I.P. I got distracted. R.I.P. to you, dirty bitch. Dirty bitch. Dirty Susie, R.I.P. to you. Dirty woman, R.I.P. to you. Dirty Susie, R.I.P. to you. Dirty woman. Dirty Susie. R.I.P. to you, dirty log. Dirty log, R.I.P. to you. Sleep in peace. You're a mad woman. Need to take your medication. R.I.P. to you. People, I got breaking news at 8 o'clock this morning. I give the good news. I give the good news, the best news, the real news, and the upturning news. That Susie passed away this morning, 8:30. Susan William passed away this morning, 8:30 this morning. And I'm saying, my condolence goes to she and her family. R.I.P. to you, Susie. That's all I have to say. I'm not arguing with you. I'm just saying sleep in peace. Sleep in peace, because you come off of the market now. You come off of the planet. Sleep in peace, Susie. Sleep in peace. Sleep in peace. Sleep in peace, Susie. Sleep in peace. You need to sleep in peace. Susie, you need to sleep in peace, Susie. R.I.P. to you. My condolence got to you and your family. Susie, your son's going to pass away next time, Susie. You, just like how you pass away, looking out for her son come up next to pass away. R.I.P. to you. Yes. Put R.I.P. to this fat bitch. This suckwood bitch. This suckwood bitch where the rest of man fuck out her mouth and shit in her mouth and what her mouth has a blood clot toilet. Or walk and suckwood in America and thief the old man.